Mickey in the Night Kitchen by Maurice Sendak. Did you ever hear of Mickey? How he heard a racket in the night and shouted, "Quiet down there!" And fell through the dark, out of his clothes, past the moon and his mama and papa sleeping tight. Falling, falling, into the light of the night kitchen. Where the bakers who bake till the dawn, so we can have cake in the morn. Mixed Mickey in batter, chanting, milk in the batter, milk in the batter. Stir it, scrape it, make it, bake it. And they put that batter up to bake a delicious Mickey cake. But right in the middle of the steaming and the making and the spelling and the baking, Mickey poked through and said, "I'm not the milk, and the milk's not me. I'm Mickey." So he skipped from the oven and into bread dough, all ready to rise in the night kitchen. He kneaded and punched it and pounded and pulled. Till it looked okay. Then Mickey in dough was just on his way. When the bakers ran up with a measuring cup, howling, "Milk, milk, milk for the morning cake." "What's all the fuss? I'm Mickey the pilot. I get milk the Mickey way." And he grabbed that cup as he flew up and up and up and over the top of the Milky Way in the night kitchen. There he is. Mickey the milkman dived down to the bottom, singing, "I'm in the milk and the milk's in me. God bless milk and God bless me." Then he swam to the top, pouring milk from his cup into the batter below. So the bakers, they mixed it and beat it and baked it. Milk in the batter, milk in the batter. We bake cake and nothing's the matter. Now Mickey in the night kitchen cried, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" and slid down the slide. Straight into bed, cake-free and dried. And that's why, thanks to Mickey, we have cake every morning. The end.